Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video will be installation of these, the upper crash bars. So as you can see, you get the left and right. You get a bracket, two spacers, two rubber grommets, and a pack of various bolts, and an instruction kit. So kick back, grab a drink, and you can have a laugh or a cringe at how I go about getting this one done. So yep, hang around and I'll show you what not to do. Okay guys, so here it is, here's the bike. Now first thing to do is to pop this out. You can see the little plug there. Okay, reveals that. Okay, so the next instruction, install this bit with the two bolts. So that'll be that and them. So let's go put them in. It must go up in under here. Yep, under the nose. So I'll take those two bolts out and put these ones in. These ones are 13 millimeters. Part 3, install the bracket with bolts 7, 5, 9, 8. Okay, so I'll just dummy fit this. There, one's up there, there. Not sure that one bolts up to yet. Okay, and this piece goes in, where's that again? Into there with the long bolt. The 35mm bolt goes in that one. Short 16 goes into here. And then your 25mm goes in there. I better get a longer socket. Longer Allen key. And put the plug in, and that's it. One side done. So That's it guys, that's one side done, so I'll save you the pain. Won't make you watch the other side, no point, you've seen it. That's so easy, it's taken me 10 minutes. Yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like and subscribe if you do, and I'll catch you back next time.